I must say I'm very, very musically frustrated. It's probably been about maybe about 2 weeks since I actually made a beat. And before that, it was about 2 or 3 months. So I guess you could possibly say I'm suffering for beat block. But let me tell you, it definitely ain't it's not from a lack of trying. It's not from not trying, if you get what I'm saying. I'm definitely trying to get the beats made. And man, I'm pulling out the computer, turning on the Studio One, connecting the MIDI controller, messing around with some samples, mixing them, chopping them up. And I'm churning out a little bit of something, but the stuff that I'm coming out with, I'm not satisfied with. Definitely is not my cup of tea. But you know what? Just because it ain't my cup of tea don't mean that somebody else may not like it. So it definitely will be going into the free beat package. So it's a track called Subspecies. Did some sampling from a movie called Subspecies. I like to sample from like 80s, 90s horror films. You know what I mean? They be having some raw samples in there, so I'll be sampling from there. So I got a free beat. It's called Subspecies. So if you haven't subscribed to the list to receive a free beat and then a free beat every month from that, and therefore profit, go below the link in this video. Go below the description in this video. The caption, comments, it'll be there somewhere, and click one of those links. It's going to say something about free for profit beats or something like that. So basically, yeah, you subscribe today, you'll get one free beat emailed to you immediately, and then after that you'll get a free beat every month. So one of those free beats that you'll be getting is the one that I don't care for, which is called Subspecies, and you may like it and you may rock it out. It's one of my beat block babies is what I call it. Struggle beat. Maybe one of y'all might like it though, but then, so I'm doing this Google searching on beat block, and next thing you know, I'm starting to get these damn ads on loop packs. Because what I've noticed in the loop pack selling points, one of the selling points in the loop packs is that loop packs can help you with what's going on with you? That the loop packs can actually help you with, getting inspired to get a beat made. So me, honestly, I'll keep it 100% real. Like I'm not really a big fan of loop packs. When I do buy like different sound kits, like different drum kits and things of this nature, they always come with loop packs anyway. But I really don't use the loop packs, especially when I've been watching these YouTube videos and you got certain producers out there who have been copyright striking each other on YouTube, getting each other's channels taken down, videos taken down, messing up each other's monetization, messing up the digital distribution on artists' songs. I just don't want to partake in that. And even if I did mess with those loops, I'm pretty sure I would break my neck 30 times over to make sure that the samples didn't sound like what was already being used out there, because some people get these loop packs and they just take the loop as it is and just take it as it is and just throw some drums and whatever the case may be and just run with it. And that's fine for whoever it may be. So if you're one of those guys that like loops as well, if you are one of those people that like loops, we definitely got some loop packs available for you too. So you might want to check out the description below the video, caption of the comments as well, if you're interested in loop packs. Other than that, I think I'm gonna go ahead. Oh yeah, one more thing too. Also, for the rappers that may be watching this video, we got 8 beats for $6. 8 beats for $6. So if you're interested in that as well, that's 8 beats for $6. That's less than $1 for each beat. So if you're interested in that, also make sure you go below the video in the description, the caption, or the comments, depending on where you may be viewing this at. And I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, man, and go back to the house, pull out this computer, throw on this Studio One, get this MIDI controller, and actually see if I can get a beat made or get a good skeleton put up that makes me feel inspired to come back to it. If you're a beat maker, you already know how that is. All right, it's DJ Aborigin. Let me get on up out of here. Peace and love.